What's going on, everybody? My name is Mario. This is a channel all about amusement park type stuff, but mostly driving with a GoPro strapped to your hand.
Let's talk about amusement parks, like rides and rides in the dark. Rides right here and rides all over, but mostly
Driving with a GoPro strapped to your hand.
All kind of things, but mostly coasters.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Mario. This is a channel all about amusement park type stuff, but mostly coasters. Javey got me a GoPro for Christmas. How sweet of her. We're going to Busch Gardens for like an hour and a half for, is it called Christmas celebration here too?
I think it's called Christmas Town.
Christmas Town, yes. There will be no celebrating. You will go to Christmas Town and you will like it. Initially, the plan today was to test the GoPro. Well, we're still gonna do that on the rides, but it'll be very dark. So I'll learn what does and probably more of what doesn't work for low light on ride. So yeah, the whole point of it was not just to test it driving in the car. So last time we came, they were setting all this stuff up, but today it is set up. So we will see how it is. It is busy. The parking lot is the busiest it has been since we visited ever. The benefit of that, I guess, is they have multiple temperature check areas open. So that's good.
Those are
Okay,
birds.
there we go.
Those are birds.
Where? Oh, damn.
Look at all those chickens.
First ride we're gonna hit up, first ride I'm gonna try the GoPro on is Cobra's Curse. Wazoo. Was Cobra's Curse good?
Yeah, always.
Cobra's Curse is always like a super fun night ride. I think that's my favorite night ride in the park. We may or may not go on Montu. If you see blurry nighttime footage of us riding it, that means we went on it. Well, you can see us on the lift hill if nothing else. This is the best part of the ride after all. Yeah.
That was my favorite ride on one of these.
Yeah, I mean, that was hauling. That's definitely the fastest I've ridden that thing at. Even after the mid-course kicked in pretty hard, it picked all of its speed back up. I mean, intense, whippy, smooth, and good. I'm still trying to figure out what settings possibly work for very low light on the GoPro. Also, really disappointing this visit, though, is a lot of people are not wearing their masks, like a higher percentage of people than usual. That's kind of been a problem with the parks in general. It's just up to the guests whether or not they're going to enforce it. So if people don't want to, there's nobody stopping them, which is really unfortunate. But there you go. I'm pretty sure the audio picked that up. Yeah, people just not wearing their masks. Really great. We're gonna see what the heck Penguin Point is about. Penguin baby. Bye. We're about to go on Scorpion for a night ride. Are you excited?
Heck yeah.
I think we're gonna get front row.
That'd be pretty fun.
Yeah, this is totally just a guess and not me forgetting to record something beforehand. This is totally after the fact. I mean, before the fact. This is totally before the ride, not after the ride. That looks pretty. just got off a Scorpion. It was so much fun. We got the front rowing. Who would have known? I will give like the decorations props. It seems like pretty much every area of the park is decorated, right?
The best ones are the Cheetah Hut ones. The black and the animal print ornaments.
Yeah, I don't know if you can really even tell on camera, but like a lot more of the park is covered than SeaWorld, I would say, which is kind of impressive since this park is so much bigger than SeaWorld. Pretty much every walkway you're in has lights, which is nice. I've been very bad at saying what we're doing, but we're going on Kumba. Well, you can see the corkscrews at least. Your butt or your bun? Javey, how was that?
I really liked it.
That was your first front row ride, first night ride, and only second ride on it overall, right?
Yeah.
It was insanely good. It was running so smooth. I mean, how did it compare to the last time you rode it? I remember riding it with you and it being really shaky.
I had to take medicine like right after, and I'm fine.
Yeah, I don't know if it's because it was a front or if it's just been running all day. It's all warmed up and whatnot. But that's definitely the best ride I've had on it. It was super forceful. This has honestly been a terrible vlog so far because of me. But for this ride, I'm actually going to say what we're going to do before we do it. We're heading on to Sand Serpent because, as Javey pointed out, it actually has good lighting. This is good. My right arm is going to be so buff.
Yep, that's fine. I thought I was going to lose my head. Yeah!
Pretty lights.
Yeah!
This is the best wild mouse. No one can change my mind. Your face almost hit the GoPro. That was good. Yeah?
Yeah.
Next up, we're heading on Falcons Fury. You guys are closed?
No, we're downstairs technical good Christmas.
I see. Just kidding. We've been punked. Next up and last up, I guess, Cheetah Hunt. It has the longest wait, so we figured save it for last when we're not trying to do anything else. Pretty lights. Ooh, Gwazi.
That was my least favorite ride of the night.
I was gonna say, was that you that set out?
I hated that, yeah.
I thought it was fine, but Javey's at like that height where you can probably see in a second where her head is like smacking around in that harness. It was still good. I enjoyed it. You got some cool views of Iron Gwazi with like the Christmas lighting on it, so that was fun. You want to just end it here? So the timeline of this video is going to continue to be messed up because I'm going to do my outro on Cheetah Hunt, but just real quick to recap, it was a fun day. We got a lot more done than we expected. The park itself was kind of disappointing because just no one was really enforcing mask policies. I understand you can't control everybody, right? You're not going to have employees in every square inch of the park, but the employees walking right by, you know, a couple that doesn't have their masks on at all. Not a single time did I see them walk past an employee and have the employee ask them to put their mask on. The only time that anyone's ever asked to wear a mask is when they're going into the park at the front gate, into a ride, or pre-dispatch. So keep that in mind, that there's a good chance that you'll come here and a lot, if not most of the guests will not be wearing their masks. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give the video a like if you liked it. 2 dislikes if you didn't like it, so I know you didn't like it. Subscribe for more stuff. Share if you're feeling extra fancy. Turn on notifications if you're turning extra fancy. Until next time.
Don't drink coffee as a child and eat your vegetables, and don't eat marshmallows every day.